The definition of your face acts as a signal of superior genetic quality. The more defined you are, the more masculine you look, and the more women want you. So, here is a 6-step routine to define your face you can use every night. Starting with number 1, start training your facial muscles. This is called myofunctional therapy, which is an exercise program for the muscles around your face, mouth, and tongue. The effectiveness has been proven, with one study from 2017 finding that those that use myofunctional therapy improve their breathing, particularly when sleeping, which helps define the face. So here's how you do it. First, grab the tip of your tongue and press it against the roof of your mouth, which is the hard part. Then, you will slide your tongue backwards as far as you can go and repeat that process 20 times. After that, you will follow up with a second exercise where you will now press your entire tongue against the roof of your mouth as hard as you can, and then repeat that process 20 times. As you progress, you could do this while you're at school, or while you're at work, or while you're on your phone scrolling. The idea is to repeat that entire process of both exercises 5 times. And trust me, you will start seeing a dramatic difference in your jawline and facial structure. And this is just tip 1. If you want to speed up the process, you're gonna need these next 5 steps, which some of them are even more instant than what I just showed you. Which takes me to number 2. Sharpen your eyebrows to develop hunter eyes. If you want to define your face in seconds, learn how to sharpen your eyebrows. You see, everybody gravitates towards shaping their beard, perfecting their stubble, thinking that that's the only way to define their face. And yes, it does help, it's important. But you forget another area that people notice even more. It's your eyebrows. That's the first thing that they'll see. If you want a chiseled face where it looks like you have hunter eyes, you need to learn how to perfectly define your eyebrows, and you can do this with a pen. You will grab a pen and line it up to your left nostril and make it stand up straight. That is the starting point for your eyebrow. You will then keep that pen on your left nostril and just angle it so it crosses through the middle of your eyeball. That now represents the point or peak of your eyebrow. And finally, you will continue to angle the pen until it's at the end of your eyelid. And this is the end of your eyebrow. You now have the 3 most important points of your eyebrow, and you will shape them with those points in mind. And you will shape them with a straight razor or an eyebrow pen, removing any hair that is outside those guidelines. What you just did is create symmetry on your face by making both sides look identical while creating more angles, which gives you a deeper stare, or what they call hunter eyes. 3, you will now use facial acupressure. In this step, you're going to use 3 facial acupressure methods, which, according to studies, reduce inflammation and tighten the muscles on your face. You're going to do this with just your fingers on the 3 key areas of your face. First, we're going to define the jawline so you have a more dominant facial structure. To do this, you're going to place your thumbs in the center of your jawline. Then, you will apply firm pressure and move your thumbs outwards towards your temples. You will repeat this process for about a minute. By applying pressure in certain points in your face, you're going to stimulate blood flow and increase collagen production, making your face appear tighter and more defined. Second, we're going to define your eyebrows even more so you can develop those hunter eyes. So, using your index fingers, I want you to locate the pressure points right under your eyebrows. Then, you will apply gentle upward pressure, moving towards the ends of your eyebrow. You will repeat this process for about a minute. Alongside stimulating blood flow, this pressure also sends energy signals to your central nervous system, which helps you reduce tension, helps you relax. And third, we'll define the upper section of your cheekbones, which are often associated with attractive men. So you're gonna grab your thumbs, place them right under your cheekbones, and then apply upward pressure as you push alongside your jawline towards your ears. You will focus on those tense areas and do this for about a minute as well. Now you can repeat this entire process 3 times, and you can take it up an extra notch by using something called a gua sha tool. Like I said, you can do it with your fingers if you want to do it for free, but if you want to level it up, there are gua sha tools like this one from PMD, which are more effective at targeting these pressure points and doing the acupressure system. Which takes me to number 4. You will now strengthen your skin. You see, as you age, your collagen production starts to deplete, leaving your skin looking saggy, depleted, soft, which removes the definition out of your face. So, you will do these 3 steps to ramp up the collagen production your skin needs and make your skin look firmer, which will help define your face. First, you're going to use negative ions. Negative ions work by lifting up dead skin cells. The problem, however, is that clinics can offer you this, but they charge a lot of money. So there are tools online you can buy that offer you this feature. The one that I like to use to save money and do it at home is the PMD Wave Pro. It's a negative ion emitting tool that's more affordable than going to the clinic, and I can do whatever I want when I'm home. The one that I use comes with something called sonic glow technology, which emits those negative ions, lifts up all the bacteria and sebum, which is excess oil stuck in my pores, which in turn will reduce inflammation, making my skin look healthier and firmer. Second, you will want to start using a hydrating product with peptides. Peptides will help replace your skin's natural oil barrier so your skin remains hydrated, while also providing it with the necessary amino acids so it can repair itself. Now, remember how we talked about negative ions? Well, there's something called positive ions. And if the tool that you pick up has both, you can use positive ions to increase absorption or effectiveness of any product you use. So for example, peptides. If you want your skin to look more hydrated, firmer, and increase the effectiveness of the peptides, I grab my PMD Wave Pro, I turn on the positive ions, which then multiplies the effectiveness of whatever skin product I'm using. And finally, you'll want to experiment with electrical currents. Like I said, the whole idea here is not just skincare, but defining your face. And to do that, you need to target the muscles in your face. This is new technology that you can get in derm clinics, and it won't hurt, as most of these tools produce low electrical currents to stimulate your muscles, which helps give you a more toned appearance. Like I said, there are tools available whether online or in clinics. The one that I use, which is the PMD Wave Pro, also has this feature already built in, which is why I went to it, because it's a 3-in-1 and it's insanely affordable for all the features it has. And now I have a tool in my bathroom that I can use to help define my face more. If you want one, I'm going to have it linked down below with a limited time offer, which will make the tool even more affordable to make sure you have a defined face. Up until now, you've used facial exercises to restructure your face, have sharpened your eyebrows to give the illusion of a more angular face. You're using facial acupressure to reduce inflammation and give your face structure, and you have strengthened your skin by promoting collagen. Now, all of this is great, but there are 2 more steps that you must do at the end of your face-defining routine to speed up the process of reshaping your face. Which takes me to number 5. Finish the routine with a facial ice bath. It is now time to close your pores and define your face even further. Now, your facial ice bath won't be a regular one, as you will also need peppermint oil. So to do this, you will grab a large bowl of cold water, apply a few scoops of ice, and then put 1 to 2 drops of peppermint oil. The cold from the ice will constrict your blood vessels, remove puffiness and any inflammation. You will then magnify this effect with peppermint oil, as studies have shown that peppermint oil is extremely effective as a natural anti-inflammatory product, which means you will further remove the puffiness. You will only need to dip your face between 10 and 15 seconds and immediately will notice how much firmer your skin will look, which again will define your face. Now we prepare for bed, which takes us to our final step. Number 6, put tape over your mouth right before you go to sleep. One of the biggest reasons most people have terrible facial structure, it is because they constantly breathe through their mouth. So here is a proven way to fix that instantly by putting tape over your mouth. Look, studies have shown that when you breathe through your mouth instead of breathing through your nose, you will reshape your face. You will leave your jawline weaker and less pronounced than someone that breathes through their nose. So we understand that the key is to prioritize to breathe through your nose. The problem is you might try during the day, but as soon as you go to sleep for those 10 to 12 hours, you don't have control anymore and you'll go back to your bad practices. So to fix the problem, grab any tape you have around the house. Make sure it's something light that won't hurt when you pull it off. You want to apply it 30 minutes right before going to bed and use that as you sleep. And because your body is smart and efficient, it will force it to get its oxygen through your nose and not your mouth. And yes, it will feel awkward at first, but as you do it, it'll become natural to the point that you'll even start breathing through your nose during the day. And over time, we'll notice the difference of how it's reshaping your face. Doing this with the 5 other tips I just showed you, your face will look completely different in a matter of a month. If you boys want to keep leveling up, I'll leave you 2 videos here. See you next time.